Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be sharing amazing low-calorie food options to help you on your weight loss journey. But before we dive into the details, if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to support health aware and raising health awareness. Shirataki noodles and slim rice. Shirataki noodles and slim rice are remarkable foods for anyone looking to lose weight. They're incredibly low in calories but high in fiber, which is crucial for feeling full and satisfied without consuming a lot of calories. Shirataki noodles, often known as konjac noodles or miracle noodles, are a unique kind of pasta. They have around 20 calories per 8-ounce serving, much lower than regular pasta's 300 calories. Similarly, slim rice, with only 7 to 9 calories per 100-gram serving, is an excellent alternative to traditional rice. Both are made from konjac flour and offer a similar texture and taste to their higher calorie counterpart. Cucumbers and zucchini. Cucumbers and zucchini are excellent choices for anyone aiming to reduce calorie intake while still enjoying a variety of dishes. Both are high in water content, making them exceptionally low in calories. Cucumbers, made up of 97% water, have only about 15 calories per 100 grams. This makes them an ideal addition to salads, sandwiches, or as a refreshing snack. Zucchini is similarly beneficial. Besides being low in calories, it's versatile in cooking. You can spiralize zucchini to make vegan noodles, a healthier alternative to traditional pasta. It contains only 17 calories per 100 grams compared to pasta's 131 calories. Sugar-free Jell-O. Sugar-free Jell-O is an excellent option for those who have a sweet tooth but are mindful of their calorie intake. This delightful treat satisfies sweet cravings with very minimal calories, containing only about 5 to 10 calories per serving. Unlike traditional desserts that are high in sugar and calories, sugar-free Jell-O offers a guilt-free way to enjoy a sweet snack. It's made with gelatin, which has been shown to help reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness. This makes it not just a low-calorie treat, but also a strategic snack to help manage hunger and prevent overeating. Additionally, sugar-free Jell-O comes in a variety of flavors, catering to different taste preferences. Pickles and watermelon. Pickles and watermelon are two distinct yet effective foods for those looking to reduce their calorie intake while managing hunger. Pickles, often enjoyed as a crunchy, tangy snack, are incredibly low in calories. A whole cup of pickles contains only about 17 calories. Their high water and fiber content can help in curbing appetite and providing a satisfying snack with minimal caloric impact. Watermelon, on the other hand, is a sweet, hydrating fruit that is also low in calories. It contains only 30 calories per 100-gram serving and is made up of about 92% water. This high water content is key in helping to fill up the stomach, leading to a feeling of fullness and reducing the urge to consume more calories. Lettuce and celery. Lettuce and celery are standout choices in a low-calorie diet, known for their high water content and minimal calorie count. Lettuce, in its various forms such as iceberg, romaine, or butterhead, is predominantly water, accounting for about 96% of its composition. This makes it incredibly low in calories, with a 100-gram serving providing roughly 17 calories. It's a versatile ingredient, perfect for salads or as a wrap substitute for higher calorie breads. Celery, on the other hand, is a crunchy, fibrous vegetable that's about 95% water. It has only 14 calories per 100 grams, making it an excellent snack or recipe addition. Chewing gum. Chewing gum is an often overlooked but effective tool in managing cravings and aiding weight control. It is exceptionally low in calories, with sugar-free varieties typically containing less than 5 calories per piece. The act of chewing gum can be a strategic way to curb appetite and reduce the temptation to snack on higher calorie foods. Studies have shown that chewing gum can help control cravings for sweet and high-calorie snacks, thereby promoting better eating habits. Additionally, the act of chewing keeps the mouth occupied, which can be a useful distraction from the urge to eat out of boredom or stress. Moreover, some sugar-free gums are also beneficial for dental health, as they can help in cleaning teeth and reducing plaque. Diet soda. Diet soda presents a calorie-free alternative for those looking to satisfy their sweet cravings without the added calories typically found in sugary beverages. Unlike regular sodas that are high in sugar and can contribute significantly to daily caloric intake, diet sodas use artificial sweeteners, providing the same sweet taste without the calories. This makes them an appealing choice for weight management or for people monitoring their sugar intake. Furthermore, for individuals transitioning from regular soda to a lower calorie option, diet soda can be a helpful step in reducing overall calorie consumption. It's important, however, to consume diet sodas in moderation, as overconsumption may have other health considerations. Bok choy and radish. Bok choy and radishes are not only low in calories, but also packed with nutrients, making them excellent additions to a variety of recipes. Bok choy, a type of Chinese cabbage, falls into the cruciferous vegetable family. It's about 95% water and contains a mere 13 calories per 100 gram serving. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, it adds both crunch and nutrition to soups, stir-fries, and salads. Radishes, with their peppery flavor, are similarly low in calories, with around 16 calories per 100 grams. They are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Radishes can be eaten raw, adding a crisp texture and spicy kick to salads, or cook, which mellows their flavor. Low-calorie seasonings, low-calorie dressings, and condiments are essential for adding flavor to meals without significantly increasing the calorie count. Traditional dressings and condiments can surprisingly contain a high number of calories, mainly from fats and sugars, which can quickly add up, especially in a weight loss diet. Low-calorie alternatives, however, provide the same flavor enhancement with a fraction of the calories. These products often use low-calorie sweeteners, herbs, and spices to achieve the desired taste without the added fats and sugars. They are ideal for salads, sandwiches, and other dishes where dressings and condiments are typically used. Watercress and kiwi. Watercress and kiwi fruit stand out for being nutrient-dense while remaining low in calories, making them excellent choices for a health-conscious diet. Watercress is a leafy green vegetable comprising about 95% water and containing only about 11 calories per 100 grams. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K and is known for its peppery flavor, making it a great addition to salads and sandwiches. Beyond its low-calorie profile, watercress has been noted for its potential cancer-fighting properties due to its high antioxidant content. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile in cooking, offering low-calorie options that are rich in nutrients. Tomatoes, often mistaken as vegetables, are actually fruits and are composed of about 95% water. They contain only 18 calories per 100 grams, making them a great addition to salads, sandwiches, and various dishes. Rich in vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K, they are known for their heart health benefits and high antioxidant content, particularly lycopene, which is linked to reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Water. Water is undoubtedly the most essential zero-calorie beverage for overall health and weight management. As a fundamental component of the human body, it plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. Water aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and the regulation of body temperature. It's also pivotal in the elimination of waste products from the body. Drinking water can significantly aid in feeling full, thus reducing the overall calorie intake. Studies have shown that consuming water before meals can lead to decreased hunger and increased satiety, which can be particularly beneficial for weight loss efforts. Moreover, staying well hydrated improves skin health, boosts energy levels, and can enhance cognitive function. Unlike other beverages that can add unnecessary calories or sugar to the diet, water provides all these benefits without any caloric cost, making it an indispensable part of a healthy lifestyle. With this, we conclude the video. Check out our channel for more interesting videos for your health. Remember, our goal is to raise health awareness as much as possible, and you can help us do so by supporting us with your engagement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to those you love to help them live a healthy life. This is Health Aware, and we hope we have helped you today in becoming more health aware.